Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video guys, we will create another program using Java programming language that will ask the user how many days, and then our program will convert into years, weeks, and days in Java. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my supporters, viewers, and subscribers in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Okay, so basically I'm using Eclipse as my IDE in writing almost all my Java programs. It is free to download in their website. So line number 1, we have here a walkthrough of the code. Import Java util scanner for input output. Line number 4, we create a class, public class days. And then line number 6, we have here public static void main. It is the starting and ending point of every Java program. And then here begin, left curly bracket, scanner input. We create an object in input for scanner for input output. Line number 10, we have here a variable ch that we will use later, and do you want to continue to repeat the program in our do while statement? Do. And then we have here the title of our program, days into years, weeks, and days in Java. New line here, new line. And then in this line of code, we are asking the user how many days. It will be stored in a variable days. And then we have two variables, that is years and weeks. Including the days, it has a data type of integer. So when we say integer, it refers to the data type that can accept only whole number, negative numbers including 0. And then we have here the formula to convert days into years, weeks, and days in Java. Years equals days over 365, assuming that the year is not a leap year. Weeks, days, modulus 365 divided by 7 in weeks. Days equals days minus years multiplied by 365 plus weeks. And then we will display the result here. And then our program will allow the user, do you want to continue? So ch, if it is yes, it will repeat running the program. If it is no, it will display the message, thank you for using this program. And then new line here, and then we close the scanner, no, input close. And then we close here the body of our main function. Okay, so let us run the program so that we can see the result. Days into years, weeks in Java. How many days? Let's say we have 2,300 days. So 6 years, 15 weeks, and 95 days. Do you want to continue? Yes. How many days? Let's say we have 500. So 500 days is equivalent to 1 year, 19 weeks, and 116 days. Do you want to continue another? Yes. Why? How many days? Let's say we have 453 3 days. So the 453 days is equivalent to 1 year and 12 weeks and 76 days. Do you want to continue? No. Thank you for using this program. So this is the end of our tutorial video guys on how to create days into years, weeks, and days in Java conversion using Java programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you learned something new in this tutorial video. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. To my fellow Filipinos, maraming salamat po guys sa inyong panunood at sa pagsubaybay sa channel ko. Sana po kung bago lang kayo, huwag po kayo magsawa, at saka kung bago lang kayo sa channel ko, paki-subscribe lang po. Maraming salamat po guys. So see you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.